listen, I can see the light. But I can also...
Hello, all you wonderful people. A new addition to the Zontes Parts Club. The best spark plug you can buy for your Zontes U1, U2 model. With an Iridium IX spark plug with an Iridium center electrode that can last up to 50,000 miles. 50,000 miles. And in your high revving engine, the number at the end being a 9 means the actual plug room's cooler, not hot. So will give a better performance. As you can see in this chart here, 9 is on the colder side. Available all around the world, so you won't get lost trying to find another plug for your Zontes U1 or U2. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on that great content, and look through the playlist. This is Mad Mix signing out.